Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue, has a rich history spanning thousands of years. Originating in Southeast Asia, this spice quickly became a staple in traditional medicine systems like ayurveda. Revered for its potent properties, turmeric was much more than a culinary ingredient. It was a healing elixir, a symbol of prosperity, and an integral part of religious ceremonies. Today, modern science is catching up to what ancient cultures have known for centuries. Turmeric is a true gift from nature. Imagine the bustling marketplaces of ancient India, filled with the aroma of exotic spices. Among them, turmeric held a place of honor. Used in ayurvedic practices for its warming and balancing properties, turmeric was a remedy for various ailments. Its vibrant color made it a natural dye, coloring fabrics and even skin in religious rituals. From the Indian subcontinent, turmeric journeyed across the globe, its reputation as a healing spice preceding it. Turmeric is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its most active compound, curcumin, is what gives turmeric its remarkable health benefits. Think of turmeric as a natural protector, shielding your body from damage and promoting overall well-being. From reducing inflammation to supporting brain health, turmeric's benefits are vast and continue to amaze researchers today. One of turmeric's most celebrated benefits is its ability to combat inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat, linked to various health problems like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Turmeric acts as a natural extinguisher, effectively targeting inflammation at its source. This makes it a valuable ally in managing inflammatory conditions and promoting overall health. Beyond its anti-inflammatory prowess, turmeric is a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Turmeric acts as a scavenger, neutralizing these free radicals and preventing them from wreaking havoc on your cells. Emerging research suggests that this golden spice may also support brain health. At the heart of turmeric's power lies curcumin, a compound with remarkable health-promoting properties. Curcumin is responsible for turmeric's vibrant yellow color and its many health benefits. Think of curcumin as the engine driving turmeric's positive effects on your body. From reducing inflammation to boosting brain function, curcumin is a true force of nature. One of curcumin's most significant attributes is its ability to modulate the body's inflammatory response. Inflammation, while a natural part of healing, can become problematic when it's chronic or excessive. Curcumin acts like a conductor, orchestrating a balanced inflammatory response. It helps to dampen down excessive inflammation while still allowing the body to heal properly. Curcumin also shines as a powerful antioxidant. Our modern world exposes us to a constant barrage of free radicals from pollution, stress, and processed foods. Curcumin acts like a shield, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting your cells from oxidative stress. Studies suggest that curcumin may support healthy brain function, enhance memory, and even play a role in preventing cognitive decline as we age. Section 4. Practical ways to embrace turmeric's goodness. Adding turmeric to your daily routine is easier than you might think. This versatile spice seamlessly blends into savory dishes, adds a golden hue to smoothies, and even stars in comforting beverages like golden milk. Experiment with different ways to incorporate turmeric's goodness, making it a delicious and enjoyable part of your everyday life. One of the simplest ways to enjoy turmeric is by adding it to your cooking. Its warm, earthy flavor complements a wide range of dishes, from savory curries and stews to roasted vegetables and rice dishes. A dash of black pepper enhances curcumin's bioavailability, making it easier for your body to absorb its beneficial compounds. Start your day with a burst of flavor and health benefits by adding turmeric to your smoothies. For a comforting and soothing beverage, look no further than golden milk. Sip on golden milk before bedtime for a relaxing and anti-inflammatory treat. Section 5. The science behind the spice. Turmeric's popularity isn't just hype, it's backed by a growing body of scientific evidence. Researchers worldwide are actively investigating turmeric's potential to prevent and treat various health conditions. From reducing inflammation to protecting against chronic diseases, the science behind turmeric's benefits is constantly evolving. Numerous studies have demonstrated turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to target multiple inflammatory pathways in the body, effectively reducing inflammation at its source. This makes turmeric a promising natural approach for managing inflammatory conditions like arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and even certain types of cancer. Turmeric's antioxidant prowess has also been well documented in scientific literature. Curcumin, with its unique chemical structure, acts as a powerful scavenger of free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative damage. Emerging research suggests that turmeric may also hold promise in supporting brain health. Section 6. Turmeric, your partner in health and wellness. Incorporating turmeric into your life isn't just about following a trend. It's about embracing a natural and holistic approach to well-being. This golden spice, with its rich history and scientifically backed benefits, can be a valuable ally on your journey to a healthier and happier you. So why not add a touch of turmeric to your life and experience its remarkable benefits firsthand? Remember, while turmeric is generally safe for consumption, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it doesn't interact with any medications you may be taking. Experiment with different ways to incorporate it into your diet, whether it's adding it to your favorite recipes or exploring the world of turmeric supplements. Listen to your body, pay attention to how you feel, and enjoy the journey to a healthier and more vibrant you.